Let's check out some of the exciting new training that's just been released.
First up, we have a major update to a heavy hitter. Keith Barker, Bob Salmons, and Eric Horan are back with CCNP Security Core 2.0. This is the updated core exam for the CCNP Security certification, and it qualifies you as a Cisco certified specialist. The brand new 2.0 blueprint brings massive real-world updates. Your team will learn to configure Cisco Secure Firewall, manage identity-based access with Cisco ISE, and dive deep into ingesting telemetry data with Splunk. Crucially, it also introduces cutting-edge training on securing AI and LLM vulnerabilities and post-quantum cryptography. If your team handles enterprise network perimeters, this is their absolute definitive next step. Next, James Conrad brings us Windows Server Administration, core infrastructure for enterprise IT. Let's face it, while cloud gets all the hype, Windows Server remains the foundational bedrock running enterprise environments globally. This training focuses on practical, professional-level mastery of Windows Server 2025. James covers everything from foundational domains, trees, and forests, to managing Active Directory structures, configuring group policy, and automating tasks using entry-level PowerShell. It's built perfectly for desktop support technicians or network admins who need to fill in technical gaps and confidently manage modern hybrid environments. And finally, it's LPI DevOps Tools Engineer with Knox Hutchinson. If your team has about 3 years of experience and is ready to stop doing repetitive manual tasks, this training maps to the Linux Professional Institute's Open Technology certification. Knox walks you through building and automating full CI/CD pipelines entirely with open source software. You'll get hands-on experience orchestrating containers with Docker and Kubernetes, managing source control and collaboration with Git, and deploying reliable pipelines via Jenkins. You'll even get hands-on with AI-driven DevOps workflows using Claude Code. It's the ultimate roadmap for turning standard system administration into elite DevOps professionals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial and see everything CBT Nuggets training has to offer.